lying on my bed in my empty room, asking myself why I'm feeling so doomed, seeing people around me shining in happiness, but why don't I feel? I feel a single smile on my face. I ask myself every day why I'm feeling this way. Am I not normal? Am I not okay? I want to run away. I want to run away from the choice of my mind. I wanna find a place where I can feel the light. I ask myself every day why I'm feeling this way. Am I not normal? Am I not okay? I love to stay alone, but I hate being lonely. I love the emptiness, but I hate feeling empty. Am I the only one who feels this way? I am not normal. I am not okay.